Okay, guys, so today about the linear equation. Actually, we are still on our algebra topic because algebra is not only on one chapter, but it can be for some chapters. Okay, algebra is something to do with variables, right? With the unknowns, with letters, and we try to find the connection between the variables and also the numbers. Okay, so in a linear equation, what makes this linear equation different from the previous topic is only about the equal sign. Okay? Equal something. For example here. Whenever we are talking about the linear equation, we are talking about something that has to deal with bracket and equal. No, not bracket, sorry, equal. Okay? So for example, I have this. I think it's too small. I will make it a bit bigger. X minus 5 equals 3. What is the value of x? Sorry? 8. So we are finding the value. X equals 8. Why? Because 8 minus 5 is 3. So how do you get the 8 then? That's the new problem. 3 plus 5. How can you do plus 5 here? Because we have the 5 on the left hand side, right? This is what I call the left hand side. Tangan kiri, ya, left hand side. And the right side will be the right hand side. Okay, so I just make it simple. LHS and RHS. I just show you the simple way in order to solve this problem. So you move the 5, this 5, to the right side, to the other hand side. If I change with other hand side, you change the sign from minus becomes plus. Get the idea? Simple, right? It's still simple. And please ask whenever you have any question about this. So the x equals 8. Get the idea? I think this is still simple for you to understand. Okay, we are learning about the right hand side and left hand side rules. Okay, that's for our first introduction. Will be there any harder questions? Yes, it's very much. Let's see. The worked example on the next page, and look at the bottom page of your practice now, on the bottom of the question. There you go. So we are dealing with some complex number here, complex equation, but still it is not too complex. But as long as you pay attention, I think that there will be no harder issue. Okay. So how to do with the 3? I move the 3 to the right hand side. Get it? X plus 3. So what do you need to change? The 3 to the right side. Okay. So x equals 7 minus 3 because it's minus. Plus going to the right hand side is minus 3 equals 4. Right? Next. Minus 7. Okay, I want to change the 7 to the right side. How come? Plus 7. So the number that you don't change, keep it like that. But what is the changing part? You change the sign also. Okay, 13. Get it, guys? Now, okay, what number do you want to change with? The plus 3. So negative 7 stays. Jangan diapa-apain. You don't have to change anything about the number that you don't put anywhere. Negative 3, right? Use go down 7, go down further by 3. Negative 10, minus 10. Understand, guys? Okay, you move the 3 to the right side. How about this? It's the same. Negative 3, you move the negative 2 to the right side, becomes plus 2. Negative 3 plus 2. Negative 1. Any question? No? No, no? Question? Pay attention, yeah? Okay, I hope you pay attention in this part because it's still simple. Harvest?
It's like the reverse side.
Yep. If we change the sign, change the sign. So the easy understanding is changing side, changing sign. That's the way I usually do. I usually memorize. Okay, I will take a note here. Changing side, changing sign. Okay, look at this. Changing side, changing sign. Either left or to right, right to left, it's same. Sign. Why? Plus becomes minus, plus and minus, minus becomes plus, times and divide. Okay. Times becomes divide. Okay. Times becomes divide, divide becomes time. Yeah. Let's see. There you go. This is the combined question. What number do you want to change? Okay. So 2x 5 plus 5, right? And then 2x equals 10. Okay. So what is x? There you go. That's the problem. Why 5? Why not 20? There you go. Because on the left side, it's multiplied, right? So you move the 2 to the right side, becomes divide. So x equals 10 divided by 2, or just put over 2. Okay?
This become 2 times 5 and minus 5.
So x equals 5. Get it? So we are doing some works, not only one changing sign, two changings, right? First changing is here, and the second changing is here. Okay. B. Okay, it's getting harder. No, it's not getting harder. It's getting more complicated only. What number do you want to change with? The 4, right? If you change to the hand side, you subtract. Kok bisa? The question is why like that? Because you subtract by 4, subtract by 4 to annihilate this. Get it, guys? So you better find the easiest way. If we change the side, change the sign.
It's the x first.
Equals? Okay, can we do faster?
Yeah, yes.
3, right?
Then 3 about.
You move the 3 to the right side, divide by 3 also, right? So 1. If you maintain the focus, you can see that all I do is going down, right? All the routing is going down. Okay. Next, C. What you can do here?
Change the 3.
Right? You move the 3 minus 3 minus 3 to the right side. And then negative 3x, right? 6. So how do you calculate the x?
6 divided by minus
6 over negative 3. I think you better put the negative. Okay. We are finding the x. Ya. Tadi Jones bilang negative x equals boleh, tapi belum selesai. Ya. Kalau Jones tadi gini startnya. Negative x equals 6 over 3, right? You just move the 3 to the right side. Negative x equals 2. But this is still not the answer. The answer is asking you for x. Change the sign on the right side. Get it, guys? Any questions so far? No? For sure? Yes? Which one? How about B? B bisa? Yang C yang susah ya? Oke, pelan-pelan. Lagi ya yang C ya. I will redo one more time. So, put equal sign. Sama dengannya penting banget. Soalnya itu tempat di mana yuk kalau you ganti jadi switch the sign. Okay? So, negative 3x maintain the position. 3 to the right side, 9 stays, subtract 3. How about now? Still understand? Okay. So what is 9 subtract 3? 6. Negative 3x equals 6. And then what next? You are finding the value of x. So you change the negative 3 to the right side by dividing it because it's multiplied, right? So 6 divide by negative 3. Or you can put the fraction form 6 over negative 3 is the same. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Positive divided by negative is negative. Any question? Any further question? Now there you go. What number do you want to change?
-2.
-2. So keep the unknown on the left and the numbers on the right. Okay, I will give you the notes later on. 13 plus 2, right? 15. As simple as that.
X is -3.
Over negative 5. So x equals -3. Understand, guys? And everything is totally the same. And what you need to do is try to focus on the changing of the sign. Ya, sampai salah ganti. So another rule. Keep the unknown or the variables on the left hand side. Okay? And the number to the right hand side. Later on, I will send this to you one by one. Okay, next. Oh, more complex, guys. Not so easy right now, but again, I think we can do more and more about this. Okay, look at this. 3x plus 4. We have 2 x's on each hand side. What do you do then?
You need to step
What to do for the 4 to the right? But equals, like understand? -4. -10 -4. What next? Because you teach the same hand side. So how about this? So you move the x to the left, right? The unknown to the left becomes -x, right? -14. Because I changed the unknowns to the right, to the left side. So what is the value of x then?
X is -7.
Yep. Okay, who still don't understand? So kita sama caranya ya, tapi yang lebih fokusnya di sini. Unknown-nya ada 2. Tadi kan sebelumnya unknown-nya cuma 1. But in this case we have 2 unknowns here. Right? You move this to the left side. This is the new one. What I highlight is the new rules. Okay, not new rules, new type of question. Okay, any questions so far? No? Okay. Next. Oh, it's over and over again. It's the same. So why I don't just change twice in one time? X to the left, right? Jadi for x minus x. Get it, guys? And then 7 maintain. 2-nya yang ganti ke sebelah kanan. Jadi apa? Plus 2. We do double working in one step. Get it, guys? Siapa yang masih belum ngerti? Who still don't understand? No one? Okay, I just want to make sure that every one of you understand. No problem if you don't understand, please ask. Equals 9.
X is 3. X is 3.
How come?
X is 9.
Don't cut the step. Use the formula. Right?
Divided by 3, 3. X is 3.
Any questions so far? No? Okay, let's go further. It's the same. Negative x to the left side becomes positive x plus. Change side, change sign. 14 plus 2, that's right. So 4x, right? 3x plus 1x. 4. Easy peasy ya, gampang ya. Now, harder. 5x nya pindah ya. Right? Negative 12 stays because it stay on the hand side, right hand side. Terus 5-nya jadi apa? Plus 5. So ini berapa nih? Negative 7x, right? Because negative 2 minus 5. Negative 12 plus 5 is negative 7. Negative 7 over negative 7. What is it? Berapa guys? Minus 7 over minus 7. 1. No negative anymore because negative by negative is positive. Okay, you may write this down. Yes, let's do the next working. So this question is same question, but what we need to do? Any idea before we start our?
Do you make the bracket first for x?
What is make the bracket? What do you mean? Expand. To x. Okay, just write it down. And what you do? Move, right? Become. That's it. So the equal sign is very important, what I said previously. If you change the position, you do the inverse order. Plus 4, plus 6, right? 5x equals 10. So can we find the easy answer? Short answer? 5 divided by 10 divided by 5, 2, right? B. It's same, right? So focus, please. Everyone. 5x minus 9, and then the equal sign is important. 2x, you put the 5x to the left side, and then negative 9 minus 6, right? Remove this and this. What I circle is the movement. Negative 3x, oh annoying, negative 15, right? But we can find the easy answer for the value of x. Negative 15 over negative 3. X equals 5. That's it. See? Be careful about the negative. Do it yourself. Later on, you can do it yourself. But let's see question D. Double, right? We have double bracket. Expand both. Negative 6x plus 8. Hati-hati ya, has to be plus 8x plus 20. Plus 20. Dan put the unknowns. Ingat yang dipindahin unknowns-nya ya guys, not the other. Negative 6x minus 8x, right? 20 minus 8. Get it guys? Bisa ya? Please tanya kalau bisa. Negative 14x equals 12. Okay, we deal with the fraction. Yes?
Why minus 6x minus 8?
Because the 8x to the left side. Ya, positif 8x jadi negatif. Kalau ini 8 jadi positif, jadi negatif 8. Get it? Brandon? Here, this one. Right? And one more. This one. Get it, Brandon? So I highlight the question that you asked. I think that's more better for your understanding also. Okay. So the value of x will be 12 over negative 14. But kalau mau negatifnya taruh di atas boleh ya. You can put the negative on top. Negative 6 over 7. Okay, both of them are okay. Write down. It's not so hard, but challenging. Okay, so we continue. For previous question, I forgot to record, but this is the way I do. I move the positive 9 to the right side. I move the 2 to the right side, becomes 6, right? And then you divide by 3. And this also the same. I move the 2, both I do the double changing. So x equals negative 3. Right? Next question. Oh, this is a bit longer, but again, we still can do this easily. 9y, right? Plus 12 equals 4y plus 2. Get it? And move the 4y to the left-hand side. Get it, guys? And the 12 to the right-hand side. So 5y equals negative 10. So the y equals negative 10 over 5, negative 2. That's it. Got it? Any questions so far? You do the E on your by yourself. Okay. Do E by yourself later. Let's solve 2a. Oh, we deal with the decimal. No problem, guys. No problem. It's not a big deal at all. You move the 0.7 to the right side. Equals 2. That's it. That easy. Yeah. So how about this? 2y equals 2.8. What to do with negative 1.3? That's 1.3. 4.1. What is the y then? Yeah, you divide by 2. You may use your calculator. You will get 2.05. That's it. Okay. So I skip question E because I know that you can do it yourself. You expand. No expansion. Oh, enggak, ini susah nih guys. Oke, lo kasih tau ya. Jadi kan ini expand dulu nih. Terus you move everything to the left for every unknown. Tapi pelan-pelan. 2y plus 3y berapa? 5y, right?
Yes.
Minus 2 minus 3, minus 5. Udah, tinggal dipindah. 5y plus 2y.
Plus y.
Or plus 5. 7y plus 9. And y equals 9 over 7. You put the 7 to the right side. Okay.
P1.
7y. Okay, you can go nearer if you cannot see it properly. Okay, so if you deal with the fraction, don't get panicked. What you have to do it slowly. Move, right?
Minus 9.
X over 2 equals 5 subtract 9. What is the 5 subtract 9?
Minus 4. Oh yeah, then you can write half of axis negative 4.
So you move the 2 to the right side. This is divide. So negative 4, you multiply by 2. Why? Because the inverse of divide is multiply. Understand, guys? So that's new. Yang baru itu divide by 2 times 2. Negative 8. Times 3. How about this? Let's see one by one. We still have 2 variables that is on the right side. So pindahin. 5 over 7y minus, right? Equals 3 1/4. You change into, yeah, 3 1/4 boleh. Subtract 2, right? Because the equal sign is important. Okay, and then we are not done yet. We need to make the denominator equal. 7 and 2, 14. Right? So 10y minus 7y, 3, 14y. 1 out of 4. Because 3 minus 2 as simple as that. Kalau nggak bisa, dipakai mixed fraction, improper fraction. 2 over 1, right? Bener nggak? 2 over 1, I multiply by 4. Right? So what is it? 8 over 4. 13 minus 8, 5 over 4. Okay, no problem. That's also acceptable. Then, how do you find y? Ini kan multiply. Get it? So 5 over 4, you divide by 3 out of 14. Do you remember how to do this?
Yes, then wait.
Flip.
5 out of 4 times.
There you go. You switch or you flip the numerator by its denominator. Cross 7, right? Equals 13 out of 6. 35 out of 6. Understand guys? Itu kalau mau jadiin improper nggak apa-apa, keep like this. Kalau you mau jadiin mix, no problem also. No need. 35 over 6 is also okay. If you have to make into a mixed fraction, it's your choice, but it will be a waste of time. So first is making the denominator equal. But in this case, after we making the denominator equal, the denominator is equalized. You can just ignore the denominator, dibuang aja. Okay? So no need to think about that further because it's same. So tinggal begini. Right? Understand guys? So ignore the denominator here. Then so 9z minus 2z equals negative 8 plus 3, right? 7z equals negative 5. So the z will be negative 5 over 7. That's it. Why over 6 again? No need, because I ignored the denominator already. Ignore, dibuang semuanya. Okay? Write down. I will give you the other way later on. Okay, I will use another way with the different question for part C. I will find the other question that is near to that kind of question. Let's see. There you go. Oh, okay, last exercises, guys. Last 2 questions. Please pay attention. This part, I will use the other way. If you look at on the right hand side has no fraction. Listen guys, hello. So everyone, jangan sibuk sendiri. Left fraction, right nggak fraction kan? 4. Jadiin fraction gimana 4? 4 over 1. Pikir ya. 4 is 4 over 1. Understand? Then what to do? You do the new part, new rules. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. You multiply cross. What does it mean? Nih. 8 times 1? 4 times 2x minus 3. Pernah diajarin nggak? Ada yang pernah belajar nggak? Cross multiply? Belum ya? Never yet. Cross multiply. Lihat rule pertama cross multiply. 8 times 1 equal 4 times 2x minus 3. Look at this. 8 times 1 cross pertama equal to the second cross. Understand guys? Again. Cross 1 equals cross 2. There we go. This, I think this will be the easiest understanding. Cross one, which is cross one? Anything? 8 times 1. Kalau pakai for the bracket 2x minus 3 boleh nggak? Yes. Okay, you can do both. You can do switch version. Equals 8 times 1. Get it, guys?
We do the bracket.
We do the bracket, we expand.
8x minus 12 is equal to 8. Oh, yeah. From
8.
my class law.
There you go.
So if x is 20, then divide. Divide by 2 can or 4.
Yes, you can. Of course, that's the way. And then you can simplify. Divide by 4, right? 5 over 2. Write down. I will show you how to do for question B later. In this question, we also do the same thing. You do the cross multiplication. Cross 1, cross 2. Or cross 1, cross 2. Anyhow, it's the same. I write CM, initial, cross multiply. Which one is? The first cross? Anyone?
1 minus 3
Bebas.
minus 1. You can read.
Ini dulu boleh? Itu dulu ya. Or y minus 3 bracket 2 boleh ya? Right? But this is uncommon. You usually put the moment. Boleh. Cross 2, 3 times y plus 4. Okay, then what next?
We make expand.
Expand.
Minus 6.
Equals
Y plus 12
12.
plus 22.
Whoa, 22, how come? Joking. Okay, so you move the 3y to the left side.
Next to y minus 3y.
You move the 6 to the right side.
12 plus 6.
Negative y equals 18, right? So this is not our option. Yeah, kan ada negative. The negative put to the right side bisa. Or negative 18 divided by negative 1 is the same. Okay, Kevin asked which is the first cross. Anything is okay. Yeah.
You can y plus 3, y plus 4.
Yeah, kanannya boleh.
2 first. 2 y minus
Right and left are okay. Yeah, both are okay.